We're going to look at mean, median, mode, and range. So for this class, you will need a pen, a notebook, and math handouts. If you need a bit more time to get ready, please pause this lesson. So these are the sheets you need, and I will explain more what to do with these sheets. So you need these 2 sheets, and also you need this one. So 3 sheets altogether. So please pause this lesson and get ready. Now, first of all, we're going to look at mean. So you need to open your notebook and just write down mean and the green part. The mean is the average. So the average, we use mean in many different activities and things in life. So to calculate your average score in a test, okay, we use mean, and it's also called average. So please write down mean, and the mean is the average. Now we will use these vocabulary terms later for your test. So please just write this down so you can then bring it to school and we can use it. So there's an example here where you have all of these numbers. They already have been arranged from smallest to biggest. And then you add them up and divide it by the amount of numbers you have. So in this case, 32 divided by 7, which is 4.57. So this is the mean in this example. Now, next one is median. So the median is the middle value. Okay, so again, we arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest, and that's how we can find median. And the median is the number in the middle. So you can have more numbers on this side as long as the median is in the middle. So please write down median, and the median is the middle value or the middle number. Now next one is mode. Mode is the most frequent value. So the mode is the number that repeats itself the most. So in this case, we have 2 modes. There are 2 2s and 2 5s. So please write down mode, and the mode is the most frequent value. Okay, range. The range is the difference between the lowest and the highest value. So in this case, the range is 8 minus 2, and it's 6. So please write down range, and the range is the difference between lowest and highest value. Now this lesson we will just practice finding mean, median, mode, and range. In the next lesson we will look more at live examples and how we use this in real life and why do we need this. Okay, so this lesson we'll just take it easy. Alright, now we're going to look at the video, and I will explain a little bit as the video is playing of how to use cards to try this. We can do this activity at school as well. You can do it at home. You need a deck of cards, and you need some pens, paper. You can work on it alone with parents, your brother and sister. So this is what we do. We need to take 7 cards from the deck and face them. We'll show you like this. Okay, then we need to arrange all the cards from smallest to biggest. So ace is 1, 2, 3, 5, 5, 7, and 8. Find the mean. So we add all of these values, and we get the total first. It's 31. And then we divide the total by the amount of numbers we have, so by 7. And the mean is 4.4. Now next one is median. How do you find median? So you can block out the cards on both sides until you come to the middle, and the median is the value in the middle. It's 5. Now you can find the median when you have 8 cards, for example. And how do you do it? You can start thinking about it. How can they possibly find median when we have 8 cards? So what we do is actually we add the 2 cards in the middle. We get 9 and divide 9 by 2. This is our median, 4.5. Now the next one is mode. Mode is the number that repeats itself the most. So which one do you think that might be? And it's 5. So the mode is 5. So this is the activity you can try at home. Now this is me trying that activity. So Miss Enrica finding MMMR. As you can see, this is the shortening of all of these words. Now let's see. So you can try this at home. You need a deck of cards and you can just follow me. Hello guys. So today we're going to look at mean, median, mode, and range. Now I have here a deck of cards, okay? Now I'm going to go through this activity with you. If you have a deck of cards, you can try this at home as well. Now first thing we're going to look at is the mean, okay? And I'm going to draw 7 cards from the top of the deck. So just all 7 cards like this. All right. I'm going to just move this here. So we have 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we have 7 cards. What we need to do first is arrange them from smallest to biggest. So let's just do this very quickly. So 2, come take this way. Then we have 4s, 3 4s. We have 5. We have 7 and 9. Now, so this is our cards arranged in, from smallest to biggest. Now, in order to find mean, okay, we have to add all the numbers and divide by the amount of numbers. So we have 7 cards, and we can add this. So we have 6, 10, 14, 19, 26, and 35. So our total is, and I'm going to write here, 35, okay? Now, there are 7 cards, okay? So we divide this by 7, and we get 5, okay? So our mean is 5. You can try this at home. Now, next one, median. What does median mean? Number in the middle. So we look for what number is in the middle. So we have 7 cards, okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the card that's in the middle is 4, okay? Because we have 3 on this side and 3 on this side. So our median is 4, okay? And we can write here. Right, next one, mode. The number that repeats itself the most. So which number repeats itself the most? So I think we can all agree that number 4 repeats itself the most. So we have 3 4s. So the mode is 4. The last one is the range. Difference between the highest and the smallest number. Now the highest number is 9. Yes? Smallest number is 2. So to find range, okay, and I'll write here, range. What we do is 9, which is the biggest number, minus 2, which is the smallest number. And we get 7. So our range is 7. Now, so this is our mean, median, mode, and range. You can try this at home as well. Okay, so now next one is, can you please open your notebooks? And we're going to try these questions. So first one, find mean. Now you should be able to figure this out yourselves. I'll give you a little bit of time. And then I will show you the answer. Okay, so mean. The first step has already been done for you. So you just need to do the other steps. All right, now let's check. Let's check the answer. So first of all, we find the total value. So we add all the numbers, 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. We get 31, and we divide it by 7. And our value, our mean is 4.4. So this is the answer. Now you can correct this in your notebook if you didn't get the right answer. And let's move on to median. Now I'll give you a little bit of time. You can pause this lesson. So what is median? Okay, find the median in these cards. So that should be easy. The number in the middle is the median. So easy way to remember, middle, median, same letter the word starts with. Now next one, mode. Can you find mode in this picture? Now hopefully all of you figured this out, and the mode is 4 because 4 repeats itself the most. And the last one is range. So can you find range in your notebook? Now if you need more time, you can pause this lesson. But just look for two numbers. And the answer is 7, which is the highest number, minus 2, which is the smallest, and we get 5. The range is 5. So hopefully this activity was okay. Now let's move on to something a bit more difficult. Now I'm going to let you try these by yourselves, and I'm not going to give you answers to these. So the cards are scattered. You just keep your notebook open and go through the steps. So find mean. Now remember, the first step is always to arrange these from smallest to biggest. Then the next step is adding the numbers, and then we divide by the amount of numbers we have. So please, if you need more time to do this in your notebook, to try this, you can pause this and try this. Okay. Now next one is mode. Can you find mode? So after you already done the first step and you found mean and you arrange these numbers, you should be easily able to find mode as well. And mode is easy. And then median as well. Find median. And the last one is range. Find range. So this was all easy. I think that you are doing well, I hope. Now let's keep moving on with the lesson. So I did another activity and I recorded this using dice. So Miss Henrika using dice to find MMMR. Okay, so now you have the sheet for homework, so you can use this sheet as well if you have dice, so you can just choose any random numbers. So let's watch this video. Hello guys, so this is our activity. We can also find mean, median, mode, and range by rolling the dice. So in this case, we're going to roll 6 dice. Now I'm just going to roll 2 at a time. And then we're going to see what we have. Alright, these are our numbers. So the first thing we do, as you remember, is we arrange them from smallest to biggest. So as you can see, the 2 is the smallest one. So we have 2, 2. Then we have 4, we have 5, and we have 6. Alright, these are our numbers. Now what we do is we write these numbers here. So we have 2, we have 2, we have another 2, we have 4, 5, and we have 6. Now let's add them up. So 6, 10, 15, 21. Okay? And we divide by 6. And we get 3.5. Okay, so our mean is 3.5. Now mode. Which number shows up the most? So let's go back to these numbers. You can see that number 2 shows up the most. So there's 3 2's. So our mode is 2. Range. Subtract the smallest from the largest. The largest number is 6. The smallest number is 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to write 6 minus 2. And our range is 4. Range is 4. Median. The 2 middle numbers. So what we're going to do is find the number in the middle. Then we have actually 2 numbers in the middle. We have 2 and 4. What we're going to have to do is we're going to add them together. So 2 and 4, we add them. Okay, we get 6. And 6 divided by 2 is 3. So our median is 3. Okay, so this is another thing you can do at home if you have the dice. Alright, now so let's practice more. Open your notebooks and we will see if you can do these questions. So again, I took some photos of dice arranged in different ways. So can you please now find the mean? So I made it easier for you. It's already arranged. Okay, so you need to find mean. So see how you go and see what answer you get. Alright. Now again, I'm not gonna give you the answer to this one. We can check perhaps next lesson. So you hopefully now you're learning more about how to find mean. Now the next one is, oh, actually I do have the answer for you. So here we go. That's great. So the answer, and I'm helping you out a little bit here, is 4.2. So we get 25 is the total value divided by 6. Now next one. So you need to try this, and now I guess I will show you the answer for this one as well. What's the mode? Alright. And the mode is 5 because 5 repeats itself 2 times. All right, and next one is median. What is the median? So just pause this lesson if you need more time and do these questions in your notebook. Median, we add the middle numbers together. 4 plus 5 is 9, divided by 2 is 4.5. And range is the last one. What is the range? Again, if you need more time, please just pause this. All right, the range is 6 minus 2, which is 4. Okay, now I'm making it a little bit more complicated for you. So let's find the mean. Okay, so the first step, what could be the first step? I guess we need to arrange these. Okay, so let's arrange these together. Now we can do this one, we can try and do this one together now and see how we go. So arrange these. So I am getting 2, 3, 3, 4, and 5, and 5. There you go. So when you arrange it, you should have 2, 3, 3, 4, and 5. Now let's get the mean. So let's add these numbers together. 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 5. So we get 22, right? 22. Now let's divide 22 by 6. And we should get about 3.6. So the mean should be 3.6. Okay? Now, next one, median. So the number in the middle, you should be able to find that quite easy. So the number in the middle should be, think about it. I'll give you some time to think about it. Okay, so the median should be, we add the two numbers in the middle, which is 3 plus 4, and we get 7, and we divide 7 by 2, and the median should be 3.5 because we have 6 numbers. Now next one, mode. What is the mode? So think about it. All right, we actually have 2 modes. It's 3 and 5 because there are 2 3s and there are 2 5s. Okay, so this is our mode. All right, and the range. So the range, just think about what the range is. All right, so the highest number is 5, the lowest number is 2. So to find range, we need to 5 minus 2, and the range is 3. All right, now something a little bit more real life and a little bit more difficult. The numbers are higher. So what is the mean or the average test score in the class? So what we need to do is we need to add all these numbers, okay, and you need to get the mean. So I'll give you some time, and I will also do this together with you. So let's try this together. So we add 64 plus 77 plus 79 plus 80 plus 84 plus 86 plus 90 plus 90 plus 94 plus 96 plus 97 plus 98. So the total I got is 1,035. Now we need to calculate how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we divide it by 12. And my mean that I got is 86.25. So hopefully you all got something like that. So this is real life, finding the mean or the average score of your spelling test. So 86.25. If you're gonna give it a grade at Changshu International School, that would be B plus. So you need 90% to get A. So 86 is B plus. All right, now let's look at another video and learn a bit more about mean, median, and mode. So there's nothing about range in this one, but there's mean, median, and mode.
Mom! Stuck on this assignment. It's on mean, median, and mode.
Oh, Cody. We'll take a break for a second and take the trash out, and then we'll get to work on it.
Okay.
Psst. Down here. Here you're in a little trouble with your mathematics.
Yeah, your math.
Who are you?
We are the Triple M crew from Guttertown.
Yeah, Triple M.
And if we help you, you can help us.
Yeah, we'll help you.
Got me?
Okay. What do you got?
I'm the mean toad. To get mean, like me, take a set of numbers or data and add them up. Then you count how many numbers you got. After that, you divide the sum of the numbers by how many there are. That is the mean, or sometimes called average. So basically, you add and divide.
You add and divide. You add and divide. The way that you get the mean is you add and divide.
Add and divide. Oh, yeah.
Median. I'm the median toad, the one in the middle. You see me? Median, in the middle.
Get on with the median.
Okay. To find out what the median is, you first make your data list in order, from least to greatest. Then, you find what number falls in the middle.
Tell them what happens if there's an even amount of numbers.
There's an even amount of numbers. Circle the two numbers in the middle. Then, add those two numbers together and divide them by 2. In the middle, median. Circle the number in the middle. Add and divide by 2.
In the middle. Oh, yeah. Last but not least, it's me, the mode toad. What I do is I find the most common number, the most popular, like me, of course. First, I make up my list from least to greatest. Then, I see if there are any numbers that are the same. The most numbers that are the same are the mode, like me, the most popular.
Put all the numbers in a line, small to big, you're doing fine. Match the numbers that are the same. When you do it, mode's the name. Only the numbers that are alike, let the others take a hike.
Mode is popular.
Thanks, Toads. Now what can I do for you?
Just stay green, Cody boy. Stay green.
Yeah, stay green. Okay, Cody. Ready for me to help you with your homework?
Mom, just relax. I got this.
Oh, yeah.
All right. So this is the video. Hope you enjoyed that one. Now we have some time left. So the other thing we're gonna do is the Jeopardy. We're gonna go through this together. Now, if you can open your notebooks, and we're gonna go through some questions. So I'll just need to go to the Jeopardy now. Okay, and we're gonna try. Now I might just need to go out of it, and we will try. Okay. Now, so let's look at these questions. This one, all right. So let's look at this one. Find the mode. So what is the mode of these numbers? So open your notebook and see if you can try these questions. What is the mode? So remember, the mode is what? The mode is the number that repeats itself the most. So you need to perhaps arrange these in your head and find the mode. Okay, I'll give you a little bit of time. And hopefully you can already see that the mode is 5, okay? So mode is 5. 5 repeats itself the most. All right, next one. Let's try something here. What is the mean or the average of these numbers? Okay, so you might need to quickly add these up. Okay, add these up and divide it by the amount of numbers. So try it yourselves in your notebook and see how you go. You can pause this if you need more time. So the total should be 54 divided by 9 and we get 6. So the mean is 6. All right, let's see what else do we have here. Let's try set E. Okay, what is the mean of these numbers again? So try this one too. Let's give you a bit of time. All right, so we have 66 divided by 8 and the mean should be 8.25. Now I want to find something, maybe let's try something difficult, a bit more difficult. So let's try this. Find the median, mode, and range of all these. Okay, so now you're going to take a little bit more time. Okay, so what you need to do is arrange these from smallest to biggest and then you will be able to find all those answers. So find the median, mode, and range. There is no mean. So median has to be the number in the middle. Mode is the one that repeats itself the most, and range is the difference between the biggest number and the smallest. So just pause this lesson if you need more time, and I'm going to show you the answer. So the median is 7. The mode is 7 as well, and the range is 14 minus 3. So 14 is the biggest number, 3 is the smallest, and we have 11. Okay, these are the answers. And now let's try a few more. Now I wonder if you want to try something maybe a little bit less difficult. So let's go here. What is the median? Okay, median. Now you need to find the median. The median is the number in the middle. So how many numbers do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So what is the number in the middle? Now you need to arrange these, I guess, from smallest to biggest. And so when we arrange these, we can see that the number in the middle is 6. Okay, we have 4 on this side, we have 4 on this side, and the median is 6. All right, let's try a few more. Let's try something here. Okay, what is the median of these numbers? I'll give you a bit more time. All right, so we need to arrange these. Okay, and the median is the number in the middle, so it happens to be 9. Okay, now we might stop here and we can do more questions later. Now we need to get back to our PPT and the homework. So your homework are these sheets. Now, as you remember, I used these sheets with dice, but you can use cards as well, or you can just make up numbers and then try it. You can count sweets, something else, anything else, and then you can use different numbers to try and practice mean, median, mode, and range, and also this sheet. So you will need all of these sheets. Okay, please take photos of these sheets and send it to me. And have a lovely day, guys, and I will talk to you soon.